Welcome back everyone to the next part of arithmetic operators in C++. Let's first discuss the two questions we were given in the end of the last video. The first one was write a program to show multiplication of two numbers and give the answer in output, while the second one was write a program to show division of two numbers and give the answer in output. So we'll see the multiplication program first. Here's the program. We have declared three variables int a, b and ans. Then the statement is cout enter value of a, as you can see on the output window. Then cin a for getting the values to be stored in variable a. Let's suppose we add 4. Then next line is cout enter value of b. So suppose we get the value 2. Then there is the statement ans is equal to a star b. Well, here star is the multiplicative operator. In answer, the value stored is a star b, that is 4 star 2, that is 8. So next line is cout on multiplying answer is, that's the message, and here we get the value of ans, that is 8. Here is the solution of the next question, that was to take input of two numbers and provide the division of the numbers. So here's only one difference, that ans is equal to a star b gets replaced by a slash b. That's the dividend operator. So as you can see on the output screen, suppose we take the numbers 4 for a and 2 value is for b. So on dividing, the answer is 2, that is 4 slash 2. Perfectly alright. Here's a catch. Let's rerun the program. Suppose we enter the value 5 in a and 2 in b. So here we get the answer 2, same as the last case, not 2.5, that was the real value of the division. The point here is that we have taken all the variables to be integer types, int. Integer values, when calculated, if there is a decimal part, it gets dropped out. So even if the answer was 2.5, the 0.5 value was dropped because ans was a integer type variable or storage location. It has a simple solution here. We will just have to replace the int with float. Float stands for floating point numbers. That are the numbers with the decimal point. Now let's rerun the program with the modification. Enter the value of a. Let's suppose we take up 5 again, and for b we take up 2 again. So on dividing, the answer we get is 2.5. For better understanding, let's take up another question. Write a program to store a 2-digit number and print it in reverse order. So let's discuss the basic logic behind it first. Okay, let's first discuss the logic for this program. Suppose we get the value of 76 in our first variable that we need to reverse. So on dividing by 10, we can extract the last digit of the number as shown. Suppose 76, the quotient we get is 7 and the remainder we get is 6. So the remainder provides us with the last digit of the given number. So if we just store it in another variable and multiply the variable by 10 and then adding on the quotient we get here, that's 7, we will get the original numbers reversed. Now let's see the program. Okay, here we can see that only two variables are needed in this program, that are integer type a and b. We don't have to specify a third variable as discussed in the logic. So first statement is as clear, cout enter the number. We take the number from user by c in a. A 2-digit number from user is given to us. Okay, so to get the remainder of the number by dividing it by 10, we can use the operator percentage or modulus operator. As the slash operator gives us the quotient of the number when divided, and percentage operator gives us the remainder of the number when divided. So b is equal to a percentage 10 provides us with the remainder we get when a is divided by 10. In this case, the last digit. Then we have the statement b is equal to b star 10. That is, the value that is contained in b gets multiplied by 10 and then again stored in b itself. And then the statement is a is equal to a slash 10. That provides us with the quotient. Now given that this is a integer type variable, the decimal point gets chopped off and we only get the first digit in this case. Then b is equal to b plus a. That provides us with the final logic, that we have multiplied the last digit by 10 and added the first digit in it. Now last line we have C out, reverse of the number is B. Let's run this program once. In the output window, enter the number. Let's suppose 45. We get the number 54. Here 5 gets extracted out as remainder, 4 gets extracted out at quotient, then stored in as 5 into 10 plus 4, that is 54. Okay, now let's take up another question for practice. Write a program to get quadratic equation of term ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and calculates its roots. There will be a hint given by me on this one. You can use the sqrt function or square root function that is provided in the header file math.h. This will be your task and the solution will be discussed in the coming up video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more updated content.